If you have a video that you found the part very funny, you can create a GIF file to send to your friends, or who knows, maybe to make it viral. In this tutorial, we will use WhatsApp. Please note this works if you have this software installed. Also note that you can make only from 6 seconds of video a GIF file. But this is enough. How can we create a GIF file from a video on WhatsApp? First, let's tap on somebody. Now tap on gallery. Select the video you wish to take the GIF photo out. It is important that on the timeline selector from the top to have no more than 6 seconds selected. After you have selected the 6 seconds or less that you want to transform as an animated photo, you will get two buttons on the top right. Select GIF option and send. Now you have transformed your video into a GIF animated photo. You can reuse this on others app as well, as that will be saved on your phone memory. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.